Steep that, innit? Get off now. You need to change your underpants now, mate. Good morning. So here we are to start another job. A bit of a change this morning, a bit of a domestic job. It's actually a friend of Baggy's who works for us. A load of 1.8 feather edge timber. I'll just turn it round, comes along here with a gate and then finishes to there. Then we've got to chop all these bushes down here, trees, edges, whatever they're called, all the way down there. It's still coming on all the way along here, and then comes down here. Another gate, another entrance gate to go here, and we're just going to finish it off to here. I think there's 45 metres in total and 2 gates, so I'll keep you posted. Today we're just going to do a domestic job. Need digger, so we've got a few trees to cut down and put roots out with digger. Just gonna hook his new chipper up that we've got in there in this shed in a minute. Baggy's just turning around to hook it up to the trailer. Unloading digger here, a bit steep. Got it sorted out, Baggy here, look. Steep that, innit? Way up. Get off now. You need to change your underpants now, mate. Experienced operator.
These my daddies make it hurt.
Tipping off here the licensed waste carriers, just tipping it off at Farmers and Carvely. Baggy's just tipped there, Charlie's just tipping ours. Go on, fast, go fast, bit more, yep. Quite a lot of waste here, got all this lot. Look at all this mound. Hi, we're just at this domestic timber job at Moorside Croft, Eccleshill. Coming on now with a lot more than we thought. We're taking these bushes and trees down, but as you can see we're doing 1.2 along here. The gates are going here. Posted that, and I've just started with 1.8 stuff there. It's quite hard digging, but we don't mind a bit of that, so it keeps posts solid into all. We've took all these bushes out along here. We're going to have another, we're going to pull this down. We'll bring digger again tomorrow. We'll pull this down, this little wall here, and just cut this bush down. Should have most of this, if not it all, posted today. Would have thought. We'll just have a chat with them and see what they think. What are you aiming for, Jamie? Try to get this posted today, do you think? Get most posted. What are you saying, Baggy? Think so?
Easy.
I like that. Confidence. at Moorside Croft doing his domestic job. It's really taking shape now. As you can see, really cracking on now. Bag is just there nailing up. Jamie's here, look, knocking some gates up. Makes a nice gate, does Jamie? How's it going, Baggy? Alright?
Steady.
Helps when we've got alright tackle, look, nailers. See how he nails it in like that. Just runs out of nails as I'm filming. He's that quick, look, I can't keep up with him. Took all this lump of shite away now, looking a lot better. Don't know if you remember, but there was a big lump of muck here, and we've just got to go down here, finish off. I've just come to take the digger away actually, and Jamie will make another gate just to go here, then we're just going to finish it nicely to there.
Another happy customer. Timber feather edge 1.8. Turned out well this one. .2. Stepping up to 1.8, which is 6 foot. Single gate. Well going around corners.